Hi, and welcome back to TaxMaster. My name is David Block, and I am delighted that you have decided to continue to trust us with your finances. We offer financial peace of mind from the inside out. What are you looking for? What brought you here to us? Many clients are here because they think they want a tax return. We are here because we understand that tax returns are the end result of careful planning. What do you want from meeting with your accountant regularly? We know that you could get your taxes done anywhere. You can also do them yourself. That's why we are committed to providing more than just a tax return. We are increasing our ability to provide you with strategies available to increase your post-tax net worth, starting with education and regularly scheduled meetings with you. We believe that the only way to help people reach their goals and better the community is by spending valuable time together to get the strategy in place. Our advisory services typically range from 2 to 5 upfront advisory sessions where we help you develop the overall tax and accounting strategy that you need. There are 3 levels of advisory services to choose from. You could choose to just have our maintenance services, compliance services, the tax returns as you always have, or you can have our maintenance services with a choice of basic advisory services, premium advisory services, or platinum advisory services. Our ultimate goal is for you to have financial peace of mind from the inside out. Our services include, on the right, you have maintenance services, which are compliance services like tax preparation, as we mentioned, and we have ongoing advisory. The advisory services include basics of tax efficiency. That includes how income taxes are calculated, capital gains on investments, state taxes, and we discuss tax efficiency options. In preparing for tax season, we include individual tax deadlines, the timing of payment and allocation, tax payment preferences, and year-end planning and expectations. Under income strategies, we discuss ordinary versus capital, passive versus active income, self-employed versus non-self-employed, and capital loss harvesting. Under deductions and credits, we cover standard versus itemized deductions, medical expenses, cash and non-cash charitable contributions, itemized deduction stacking, and we discuss most common tax credits and an overview of other tax credits, and we discuss the reporting obligations and payroll for household employees. Under tax-privileged accounts, we talk about understanding the different types of retirement accounts and discuss the funding of retirement account options. We talk about health savings accounts, we verify eligibility, and with HSAs we discuss the maximum contribution limits for the current year and education savings plans. And here are some additional maintenance services we have for sole proprietors and landlords, including payroll as needed, accounting and bookkeeping. And we also have additional advisory services, foreign income and expat income, foreign bank account reporting, FBAR, basics and advanced real estate investment strategies, employee stock compensation, estate planning, and introduction to financial planning. For businesses, we also include business advising and planning, best practices, income strategies, tax efficiency analysis, succession planning, and fringe benefit planning. Understanding the 1040 tax return life cycle. On the top left, you deliver to us your tax documents. You can upload your documents to this TaxDome account, or you can mail or drop them off at our office. Pay your deposit, fill out this client organizer, sign your engagement letter, and you decide on your level of advisory service. Your accountant in charge can help you figure out which is the best level of service for you. This is the person assigned to your engagement to be your primary point of contact. Your accountant will assist you with tax preparation, tax questions, payroll if applicable, accounting questions, and more. You can choose to have an interactive tax review with us. We will contact you when your return is ready for that, and you can set up an appointment, and this review will allow us to make any final adjustments, answer questions you might have, and provide direction for filing. All your important tax documents will be stored in this TaxDome account. Your e-file forms will be emailed to DocuSign. Documents will be will be posted here, and your complete return will be posted where the arrow indicates. For businesses with payroll, this is your annual client cycle. You start the year, we go over expectations, we have annual quarterly payroll check-ins, we do the annual tax filing. If you have an S corporation or a partnership, the return is due on March 15th if you're a calendar year return. C Corps are due on April 15th along with 1040s. In the second quarter, we meet and go over any changes to your services, go over goals and expectations. We can discuss net worth building strategies at a high level, and we set the pace for the fourth quarter follow-up, which is number 5 on the bottom left. And then we have a year-end review, and that all depends upon the service of advisory that you have decided to choose. For 1040 business clients who are sole proprietors or landlords, you have a Schedule C and or a Schedule E. You see our compliance service in beige on the far right. The basic advisory services are in blue. The premium advisory services are in green, and the platinum services are in gold, and continue on the following page. This is a continuation of the platinum premium advisory services. Let's go into these in a little more detail. If you do not wish to take advantage of our advisory services, that's okay. We can provide for you what we provided for you last year. You get the 1040 return, our weekly emails, off-season questions answered as needed. You get a strategic planning meeting at the end of the year, 72-hour response time for email and phone support, identification protection from theft, IRS notice and audit support, and out-of-scope requests will be to be determined. These are our basic advisory services. This is what you will receive from us, including your compliance services. They include strategic planning meetings twice a year and 48-hour response time for email and phone support.